beautiful experience. I had the opportunity to come out by myself. I mean, I rather came out with people or some friends or maybe even a girlfriend, but I honestly believe this is well needed, especially in the state of mind I was in, really figure out what it is I want to do in my life. And just overall, the man I want to become. So going out here was just a moment to reset and try to be the better person. When you feel like, or you in a state of mind where you feel like you need to repay yourself or do some things that are the better need for yourself, do it. Don't go on nobody else's time or expectations of how to operate or how to get yourself in a better mindset or just overall be better for yourself. Don't let nobody shame you into believing that if you need to step away and just be, completely closed off to repair whatever damage it is, don't let nobody make you feel ashamed for that. Go be a better person for yourself so you can have a better approach in life. And it's always good to take a step back, take 5 steps back, take 10 steps forward. It's always best to just really process what happened, how you could do better, and just what you could do differently moving forward. Reset. Re-put things in perspective. Calm my mind. Realize that nothing in this world matters besides exactly. Nothing is worth getting stressed over. Nothing is worth losing hair follicles or getting into it with people. Nothing's really worth those headaches. Life is definitely short. You can't put a time stamp on how long we gonna be here. So you gotta just live it to the fullest and make sure you live as pure as possible and make sure you create your peace. And the minute people interfere with your peace, you gotta cut that shit off. It's okay to ride your own wave because you're gonna align with people that's meant to align with you. Life is beautiful, bro. Life is amazing. Life has its ups and downs, but at the end of the day, it is beautiful. Every day, wake up is an opportunity to be better, an opportunity to do different. Go after what you want to become, because you know you got it. I know you got it. There's nobody ever told you this. I believe in you. I believe that you got everything in your power to become the best version of yourself. This is me tapping into it. Being in my own thoughts, organizing, feeding myself good thoughts, being around good energy, increasing my vibration, my frequency. Because at the end of the day, this is a marathon. Your pace is your pace. You will get to where you want to get to on your own time at your own speed. And I believe in you. I'm going to keep saying I believe you. I believe that whatever you want to accomplish is yours. Whoever don't see the vision, fuck them. Straight like that, fuck them. If they don't see your vision, they don't want to be a part of it, they don't want to help you out, cut ties. Go out and find your tribe. There's people out here that want to see you do great. So go chase greatness. I want to see you at the top. Hope to see you at the top. All right, guys, hike over. I went to 2 trails, walk by a total of 10 miles, something like that. Just make sure you get back in tune with nature. Try to rebalance yourself and really just make the best of what your life is. I am dehydrated. I'm hungry. I don't know why I didn't eat coming out. I didn't have nothing to eat. Because I didn't want to go take a shit or nothing while I was at. So I'm like, nah, I ain't finna eat nothing. But now I'm regretting it. Definitely put this in y'all bucket list and